Hello everyone! Here we want to present our assignment by the title Descriptive Paragraph. Presented by Addilla Nailul and Ika Dina Agustia.
Descriptive paragraph. What is this? A descriptive paragraph describes how a person or things look or feels. In descriptive paragraph, you can describe people, place, object, or event.
What is the purpose? The main purpose is to make the reader feel like they are experiencing what you are writing about by using sensory language. In short, it is a kind of painting with the word.
The structure of descriptive paragraph. A. Identification. Identification is a part in which you identify or write the recognition. Moreover, it can be general statement about place, person, or thing that you want to describe. B. Description. Description are vivid detail of place, person, or thing that you want to describe so that the reader can easily imagine, picture it, the description, or they can feel that they involved in the experience. E. Conclusion. Conclusion are the summary of the paragraph or paragraph. Furthermore, the conclusion may be included or not. It can be a replacement or conclusion of the paragraph.
What is sensory language? Sensory language is a writing technique used in creative writing that involves the five senses: taste, touch, sight, sound, and smell. The main purpose of sensory language is to use the senses to help create a vivid image of a setting, scene, or emotion in the text.
Descriptive paragraph using five senses. 1. Sense of sight. Example, I see people. You look beautiful. 2. Sense of hearing. Example, I hear a noise from the radio. The sound very loud. 3. Sense of taste. Example, the taste of cake very delicious. 4. Sense of smell. Example, smell the flower is a sweet. 5. Sense of touch. Example, I touch my skin, I feel soft.
Writing a descriptive paragraph. Good descriptive paragraphs are really fun to read because they fuel your imagination. A good description allows the reader to be a part of your world, to clearly imagine the scene, to feel the sensations, the smells, and the taste of the subject you are writing about. To achieve this, think of your five senses in relationship to the topic being tackled.
How to write descriptive paragraph. 1. Choose a subject that you find exciting and can describe in detail. 2. Begin by introducing the subject and setting the scene. This will give the reader a general understanding of what you're describing. 3. Use sensory detail and descriptive words to help the reader visualize the subject. For example, if you're describing a person, you might use words like warm, generous, and kind. If you're describing a place, you might use words like bustling, picturesque, and charming. 4. Use pivot verbs and adjectives to bring the description to life and make it more interesting for the reader. For example, instead of saying the sky was blue, you might say the sky was a brilliant blue. 5. Avoid clickless and try to use original language to describe your subject. At the end paragraph with a conclusion that ties everything together and reinforces the overall image you were trying to create. This will help the reader remember the subject and the detail you include the paragraph.
Support preposition of location. Sometimes, when we write descriptive paragraphs, we use prepositions of location. This helps the reader understand exactly where a person or a thing is in relation to someone or something else. Again, it is specific language that gives the writer more power to describe and create an idea in the mind of the reader. Some examples of preposition of location: on the right, on the left, on top of, in back of, in front of, next to, beside, between, behind, by, inside, near, at, above, across from.
Here are the example.
The beach in Hawaii. A beach in Hawaii is like a paradise. To start with, the beach smells fresh like a new ocean air freshener. The sand is so hot that when you walk on it after the sea, you feel like you walk on a burning grill. Not far from the shore, you can see the palm trees. They sway in the air from the strong wind. You can see the navy blue ocean every day. People are laughing and playing on the burning sand, and others are relaxing on the beach sunbathing. At night, you can only hear the waves of the ocean and the light wind which comes from the huge palm trees. To sum up, this beach is an amazing place for a perfect summer holiday. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, you can understand the contents of the presentation and find its meaning. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to reach out. Hopefully, it's useful and have a nice day. Thank you very much.